Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malvika and I have a 20-month-old son. This channel is all about parenting, baby care and a lot of other things that you will be needing if you are a parent. So if you're traveling in the same boat as me, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon nearby so that you will be notified every time I post a video. In this video, I will be sharing what pegboards are and how they are beneficial for your toddler. I'm sure most parents will already know about these, but for those of you who don't, the pegboard is a Montessori based fine motor skills toy that is loved by children. It is also useful in occupational therapy. Using this toy is a great way for building fine motor skills, hand eye coordination, develop and strengthen visual perception, visual motor coordination, making patterns, and so much more. So here I have one foam pegboard and 30 pegs in different colors. The pegs are slightly bigger in size so that the kid can easily hold them with their tiny fingers. This is the first time my son is seeing this and he seems to have liked it instantly. You can use this with your child for sorting the colors or sorting the shapes, patterning. For older kids, you can also use it to improve their math skills like counting, adding, subtracting, etc. What I like the most about this is kids get to learn so much in this particular toy and they don't even notice that they are learning as they play. So let's go over all the benefits one by one. Sorting is the beginning of pattern recognition, a foundational math skill. Somewhere between 19 and 24 months, your toddler may start to learn how to sort, and introducing the pegboard by then is a great option. This is a gateway for cognitive development of your toddler, so I'd suggest you start this immediately as and when they begin to show interest, which probably may be anywhere between 15 to 19 months of age. Number 2 is hand-eye coordination. This hand-eye coordination is the body's ability to process information received through the eyes and use it to direct movements of hands to complete a task or a skill. It develops naturally as your child grows. There are many ways to encourage development of hand-eye coordination, and the easiest is by using a pegboard. As the pegs are conveniently oversized, toddlers can easily hold on to them and try to fit them onto the board. Number 3 is color recognition. Your toddler's ability to recognize different colors starts around the age of 18 months. The same time he begins to notice similarities and differences in shape, size and texture. But it will be a while longer before he is able to name the colors. Most children can name at least one color by the age of 3. So anywhere between 18 months to 3 years, if you introduce this particular board, I am sure it will help them identify different colors easily before they start preschool. Number 4 is stacking. Stacking requires great concentration and thereby helps your toddler to develop his thinking skills. Building a tower with blocks or pegs and knocking it down again is a surefire winner, and when it comes to keeping your toddler entertained, this comes first. And once they figure out how to stack all pegs, let your toddler have the satisfaction of demolishing the tower. So yeah, that's it guys. These are the benefits of pegboards for your toddlers. Despite buying this for the first time, I strongly feel this is worth an investment because your child cannot outgrow this particular toy. He or she can use this from toddlerhood till preschool, and it's a good way to keep them thinking and entertained. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was beneficial and useful. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button too. I will be back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye.